It's no secret that carcinogens and factor fumes we breathe every day seriously is harmful for our brains and body. A wealth of scientific evidence shows that those who are living in cities exposed to high levels of pollution through our lifetime have an increased rate of heart disease, stroke, cancer, or even mental health problems. However, there is new research reveals that aside from making us sick, our body's response to inflammation or these responses are also maybe the blame for us making us fat. So there's researchers from UFC, or University of Southern California, that followed more than 300 kids from early childhood. The research observed and discovered children up to the age of 10 who were exposed to the highest amount of traffic were 2 pounds heavier than children breathing air, clean air, usually in the suburbs or other areas where you don't have a lot of trees. Crucially, there's a lot of scans that show that in the heavier kids, they have more significant signs of physical lung damage. So how can pollution make us fat? The possible reason may be because our body's response to pollution and foreign substance can cause a cascade inflammation effect. So the scientists believe that breathing in these particles from traffic fumes to cigarette smoke triggers a cascade of inflammation response to the body. So first, the pollutants irritate the tiny air sacs in the lungs, setting off a stress response that involves a release of hormones. This reduces the body's ability to absorb energy such as glucose from foods and leaving blood sugars levels uncontrolled. When blood sugars are unstable, fluctuations in appetite increases, making us more likely to overeat. So pollutants also trigger the release of molecules called cytokines, which send immune systems to overdrive, causing inflammation in the brain, body, shown by mice studies in the brain for inflammation, and also they lead to overeating for the rats. So also trucks, buses, diesel cars are especially damaging due to the number of nitrogen oxides that they emit. Nitrogen oxides can develop into small molecules known as pollutant matters, which further irritate the lungs. So these coated in these chemicals, usually we inhale it, and you're carrying a collection of irritants inside they collect into your lungs. So once in the bloodstream, these collections of irritants trigger damage to blood vessels, causing heart disease or strokes. So what can you do? Do not give up those healthy eating habits and exercise. Learn the surrounding community's air quality through local ratings on the news. Even though the Center of Disease Control and Prevention also warned Californians to stay away from outside environment due to the fires, individuals should be able to be active inside. Always try to do some things outside, inside your home, and try to be active. Also plant a tree. Planting plants also helps out a lot. So for more information, follow me on Facebook or on Instagram, YouTube. I'd love to listen to what you guys have to say. What do you guys think about it? Just let me know. I like to hear what you guys have to say. Also, you can give me suggestions on what to talk about. I can provide more references here, and you guys can take a look at it and see how pollution can make us so much fatter compared to other types of cities or towns, suburbs, urban areas, country. Let me know, okay? See you guys later. Bye.